What's special about CUNY is, like New York, you have the concentration of so many great people and tools and ideas all come together in one place.
We have a huge diversity of faculty, so we can actually go and if we're interested in a specific, now going in that direction, we have experts in that we can consult and work with.
I believe in public education, and so I feel like coming to CUNY was the right decision from that perspective.
The City University of New York, being that it is a public-funded university's biggest urban campus in the country, gives many opportunities to students that would otherwise not have that.
The physics program at the GC is such a good program because it's one of a kind.
The biology program at the Graduate Center is an excellent choice, not only because of the location in New York City, but because of the fact that CUNY offers such a huge pool of faculty to work with in so many different areas of expertise.
You have access to a variety of campuses, labs.
The funding, the teaching, and the opportunity you have to interact with such a diverse and fantastic student body at CUNY.
As a professor, that is the most gratifying part of my job, is to really help these students who are diamonds in the raw grow and shine.
The astronomy faculty is very interesting because they're spread out at all different CUNY campuses, but they're all based at the Natural History Museum. So I spend 95% of my time at the Natural History Museum doing my research.
There are a lot of opportunities in New York, but I felt like the Graduate Center offered me a more diverse pool of mentors to work with.
If you join CUNY biochemistry Ph.D. program, there are so many different professors affiliated to the biochemistry program, so you can choose any of them as your mentor.
We do a lot of mentoring. I think that that's what makes us stand out.
One thing that I appreciate about the faculty that I work with is that they're very supportive. They're actively engaged in the process of the students becoming, better scientists.
We take care of our students. We mentor them from the day one throughout the 5 years, and also expect them to move on and do better things.
What was more important for me is the fact that I was allowed to work much more closely to my mentor.
The mentoring that we can offer is very close mentoring because the labs are usually smaller than in other universities, and so I think that actually having these smaller labs provides for better mentoring.
I really enjoy teaching. In the future I would like to become a professor, so I think that the experience of teaching is just great.
I think that you don't learn something as well as when you have to teach it, so I think it's really good for them, for students to have to teach.
I believe teaching is one way to be a leader. So by teaching and leading a group of students, I can learn how to be a good leader and how to be a good instructor.
It's a great experience because it makes you a little more confident when you speak in front of people, and lets you think about science in a different way, in a way that you'll try to convey it to people that are less experienced than you.
Teaching in the CUNY system to such a diverse student body has been a great experience for me. I've been able to mentor top-notch undergrads from very diverse backgrounds, which I think is highly representative of New York and CUNY.
I love New York City.
I love the city, I love living here.
There are so many free things to do in New York that you don't have opportunities to do elsewhere.
The best part to be a bioinformatician in New York is the huge job opportunity.
What I love about New York City is that you can have a long day in the lab and you can still go out afterwards and enjoy the city.
Some things that I like about New York are access to cultural resources, shows, performance, dance, museums, libraries, everything.